In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize FreshBooks Invoice. By the end, you'll have a professional, on-brand invoice that's clear, consistent, and easy for clients to read and pay. Start by heading to FreshBooks in your web browser and signing into your account. You'll land on the dashboard. For the smoothest experience, a desktop browser works best since you'll see all the customization controls in one place. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover or click to expand it so you can view the full menu. Next, open the Settings option from the left menu. This is where all your account-wide preferences live. If you don't see it, make sure you have the right permissions on your account, as some roles may limit access to branding controls. From Settings, choose Brand Appearance. This section is your design hub for invoices and other client-facing documents. Everything you change here updates the look and feel of your invoices, helping you maintain a cohesive brand every time you bill a client. Now you can customize as you want. Start with your logo. A high-resolution PNG with a transparent background typically looks the sharpest, and keeping the file size modest helps the PDF generate quickly. If your logo has light colors, pair it with a darker accent to maintain contrast and legibility. Choose your brand colors by entering hex codes or selecting from the palette. Keep accessibility in mind. Strong contrast between text and background makes totals and due dates easy to scan. Then select fonts that reflect your brand while staying readable. A clean sans serif for body text and a slightly bolder header font often strike the right balance. Adjust the invoice layout to match your preferences. You can refine how your business details appear, decide whether to show a logo on the PDF, and set how item lines display, including quantities, unit prices, discounts, and taxes, based on your needs. Add default payment terms, a friendly note, or a footer message to save time and ensure consistency across every invoice. If you work with tax IDs or purchase orders, include those labels so clients see the information they expect. Use the preview to check spacing, alignment, and how the total section stands out. Make sure everything fits cleanly on a page and that your key details are unmissable. When you're satisfied, save your changes so they're applied to future invoices. That's it. Go to FreshBooks, open Settings, head into Brand Appearance, and make it your own. With just a few tweaks, your invoices will look polished, professional, and unmistakably on brand.